Now, this is very important. This knife can give you near instant access to alcohol. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another knife review. Today we have a Kershaw. Yes, this is the Kershaw Interstellar. A close-up of this knife for you. It's got a certain coolness factor, I must say. It's got a sliding lock, a sliding button lock, right? So you just push it, and now this is locked, right? But if you push that and slide it back, you can retract it, right? So it's manual. It works with either hand. All right, so the blade length on this is 2.7 inches. It's a combo edge, right? So not a lot of length of plain edge, but it did come very sharp. Right, when I first got this, I did the old paper demo. Let's roll that in. Okay, YouTube, we're here with this new Kershaw knife. Let's check out the edge, shall we? Wow. They did an excellent job. You know, because of the teeth of the combo edge, the plain edged edge length is rather short, but I must say, it came very sharp. If you look at the relief grind, it's done very precisely. And while we are here, let's get an official weight on this knife. The old scale. What do we got? All right, 89 grams. Let's change the unit. 3.14 ounces. All right, so you saw they gave you a very sharp edge on this. Now the steel on this is 8CR13 MOV. All right, that's a less expensive stainless steel, but it's kind of what you might expect for this price point. See the pocket clip there. Now, this has a bottle opener at the end, right? A bottle opener pommel. This knife can give you near instant access to alcohol, right? This is the only knife that can solve all of your problems because it can make you not care about any of those problems anymore, at least temporarily. All right, here we go with the real function of this. See what we can do. Is that in frame? Okay. Oh, there you go. Yes, it fulfills its purpose in life and the universe. I got a little piece of wood here, just gonna whittle on this. You know, I feel like this knife is just for very small day-to-day tasks, you know? Like, literally like opening your mail type stuff. You just need to cut a little thing, you know, cut a little piece of paracord or something. Right, so in that sense, almost any blade would do. You know what I mean? Hope you're all doing well these days, as well as can be expected. It's a beautiful sight, fall in New England. All right, made a little pointy piece of wood. All right, YouTube, so there it is in the pocket, in my front pocket there. Here's a close-up of that pocket clip. Seems to work okay. Yeah, so this thing, it's an odd duck for sure, but people are liking it, so I figured I'd review it. It's been a while since I reviewed a Kershaw. You know, back in the day, like 10 years ago, I used to love Kershaws because they had the Kershaw Cyclone, the Kershaw Lahar. Those were classics. I still have mine. But Kershaw has always sold really well, and they continue to do so. So maybe I should feature more Kershaws on the channel. The sliding mechanism is well executed. It's actually very easy to use. They could have easily messed that up, right? So that's well executed. Yeah, it's a pretty cool knife. It was $40. Do I think it's slightly overpriced? Yeah, I think it's slightly overpriced, but then again, almost everything is nowadays. So, do I recommend this as an EDC utility knife? No, I recommend this to open your beer. Well, alright YouTube, I hope you enjoyed getting out here with me and seeing this fun little gadget from Kershaw. If you want to see more reviews of all sorts of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to me. I'm out.